So this is my pot, the pot that I'll use for my new acquired tree or plant, do we call it? It's a recycled pot. It's a recycled. This will serve like a training pot. I forgot to make a hole here. So here I'm making my soil mix, which I used a bit of compost, soil, normal soil from the garden, that's a small portion, some mix of sand and some gravel. This allows it to allow draining. Shouldn't let it have a lot of water. Should be able to retain water, but also at the same time not making it swampy, because this will affect some plants, especially this type of plant that is used to growing in semi-arid areas, arid and semi-arid areas. It is a shrub. Like I told you, it has some factors that I like, especially the fruit, not the fruit, the flower. There are varieties of flowers. They have green flowers, orange, yellow, blue also. Some also have blue flower, yellow. It's a nice plant. Yeah, now the soil is well mixed, and we can go to the next step of potting. See, I had already wired my plant, because this plant, my pot, this plant has to be stable. You see, it has no roots, so you have to hold it in place with the wires. So, okay, let's go to potting plants. First, start by adding up the big pebbles to the lower part of the pot, just to maximize drainage. A well-drained soil, that is good for a bonsai. And this also reminds you that you should keep watering your bonsai plant every time when you find the soil is not damp. The soil at the top, if it is not wet, you should water your bonsai plant. Otherwise, the plant will just dry up. Okay, you can place it. You can see these roots. I'm placing a lot of dirt on these two roots. Okay, yeah. Okay. Then I'm going to add the remaining part of the soil. Just need to water it and you're through. Watering it is just a matter of placing it in the water, let it sit there for about an hour, then come get it out. Because if you water it from above, it will spill all over for the first time. It's good to just place it in water and let it soak. That way the water will circulate properly till the top. When you see the top is soaked, you can now get it out. Thank you for watching. Do something green for the planet, save the planet. I'll see you for the next video. I'll also update you on this video, on this plant over the coming months, 1 or 2, about 6 months later. I'll do a video on this. I'll also come up with I'll find out the name of the plant and I'll do the video on it. Thank you very much.